Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. After discovery of neutron, proton and electron, that means discovery of fundamental particles and various atomic model, today we are going to discuss about atomic number. What is atomic number? Atomic number is defined as the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. Atomic number is denoted by the letter capital Z, and atomic number is equal to number of protons. Since number of proton is equal to number of electron, therefore atomic number Z is equal to number of proton equal to number of electron. That means in an atom, same number of atomic number and same number of proton and same number of electron are present. Now next point is atomic mass or mass number. Atomic mass or mass number represented by capital A. The sum of number of protons and number of neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom is called atomic mass or mass number. From the definition of mass number or atomic mass, we can write mass number or atomic mass is equal to number of proton plus number of neutron which present in nucleus of an atom. Atomic mass or mass number represented by capital A, number of proton represented by capital P and number of neutron represented by capital N or a small n. Therefore, A is equal to P plus N. Since Z is equal to number of proton, so A is equal to Z plus N. Both formula we can use to calculate number of neutron which is present in the nucleus of an atom. Now next topic is representation of an element. First, let us consider an element X with atomic mass capital A and atomic number capital Z. Now, representation of an element X with atomic number Z and atomic mass A is ZXA. A is atomic mass, Z is atomic number and X represent an element. And atomic number capital Z is equal to number of proton is equal to number of electron. For example, sodium element. Sodium element symbol is Na and its atomic number is 11. So write here 11 and atomic mass of sodium element is 23. So write 23 here. So this is a complete representation of sodium element with atomic number and atomic mass. Similarly, calcium element, symbol of calcium is Ca, atomic mass 40 and atomic number 20. So this is a complete representation of calcium element with atomic mass and atomic number. Since atomic mass is equal to atomic number plus number of neutron or proton plus neutron. Now atomic mass of calcium is 40, so write 40 at the place of A and atomic number is 20, so write the 20 at the place of Z. 20 transfer towards 40, so neutron is equal to 40 minus 20 and it becomes N is equal to 20. Hence number of neutron which is present in the nucleus of an atom is 20. That means atomic number of calcium is Z, which is 20, atomic mass 40 and number of proton is also 20. and number of neutron is 20. Now next point is isotopes. Atoms of same element with same atomic number but different atomic mass or mass number are called isotope. Example of isotope. First example is isotopes of hydrogen element. There are three types of isotope of same element hydrogen. First 1H1, second 1H2 and last one 1H3. 1H1 isotope is called general hydrogen or normal hydrogen, but 1H2 is called deuterium and 1H3 is called tritium. In this isotope, atomic number Z is equal to 1 for all isotope, but atomic mass 1, 2, 3 are different. Second example, isotope of carbon are 6C12, 6C13 and 6C14. Atomic number Z is equal to 6 in all isotopes, but atomic mass are different in this isotope. Next point is isobar. Atoms of same or different element with same atomic mass and different atomic number are called isobar. In isobar, atomic mass are same, but in isotope, atomic number are same. For example, 18 argon 40 and 20 calcium 40. In this pair, atomic number of argon and atomic number of calcium are different, but atomic mass of argon and atomic mass of calcium are same. So this pair is isobar. And second example, 1s3 and 2h3. Here 1 and 2 atomic number are different, but atomic mass 3 are same. So this pair is isobar. In the next class, I will discuss about electronic configuration, which is a very important topic. That's all for today. Thank you.